Yo guys! Sobrang happy ko ngayon kasi I failed twice. Now, bago mo ako i-judge, make sure na panoorin mo muna ng buo yung video. Kasi puro na lang wins yung ina-upload ko, baka isipin nyo naman na hindi ako nag-fail. So, hindi totoo yan. Tao rin naman tayo kaya normal lang din na matalo. Failure doesn't mean you're a loser. Failure is just an event. Remember na no matter how consistent you are with your habits, it is inevitable that life will interrupt you at some point. Oh, pares tayo nakakaranas yan. Maybe in different kind of situation lang. But the main reason I'm happy is compare sa dati kong schedule and routine na at least once a week lang yung exercise outdoor, which is yung pag-jogging. Ngayon nagagawa ko na siya araw-araw. So hindi man yung jogging pero at least sa college exercise. Di ko man mahit ng consistent pa sa ngayon yung 60 minutes na nakaset. At least araw-araw yung progress. And di ko siya susukuan, siyempre. Remember, slow progress is still progress. Simply doing something at least 10 squats, 5 sprints, 50 push-ups, or anything is really huge. So, kaysa naman sa hindi mo sinubukan, di ba? Don't put up is zero. Di mo man makomplete yung task mo ngayon, at least you did your best, di ba? And ang pinaka-goal ko naman dito is lalo pang ma-develop yung self-discipline ko. And yes, this is day 8 of the ARC project. And yan, ulit-ulit tayo dito. This is day 8 of the ARC project and day 9 of Project 6 Figure Income. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!